Hi guys, today I want to show you how to do the stem stitch. This is another outline stitch used for flowers, for outlines. If you work it in rows, you can use it as a filling too. I'll just start and I'll speak while I go. So it's a simple stitch. We come up from the back, go forward one stitch, hold your thread, and then you come up right in the middle of this first stitch you created. And we basically just repeat this step. Forward one stitch, hold your thread, come up. And again, forward one stitch, hold the thread, and come up. It's a really, I love using this stitch for flowers. So this was the stem stitch, guys. As you see, there's a really nice rope effect. Really useful when stitching flowers. Again, that's my favorite way of stitching the stems. This was the stem stitch. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy stitching. Please subscribe if you like my tutorials, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye.